Alright guys, yeah, this is WTCT802 washing machine. You can see it. Okay, I just got it and I felt I should upload a video on how to operate it. So you can put it on here, put it on from here. Then there is the power button. Yeah, first of all, the machine has been connected with water, and this is the drain pipe here. So we want to start operating the machine now. On the power button, you can see it's on VOC. It depends on the clothes you want to wash. So select. It has different options here, like quick, delicate, heavy, jeans, eco, memory, wool, and so on. So this VOC is the automatic selection. So I'll wash on quick. So quick has been selected. So I'll put in my clothes, the clothes I'm trying to wash. This is the clothes. Yeah, this is soap dispenser. I'll put my soap here. So my soap is inside now. You can see my soap. Then I'll close it. Then once you press start, yeah, you can see the washing machine is filling in the water. So it's filling in the water level is on 3. You can change that, it depends on the level of the clothes you are washing. So I put it on 1 now, so it's on wash, rinse, spin. So, and it is cold water. So the machine is filling the water now. So once the water level has been reached, the machine will start washing automatically. Yeah guys, the water has been filled to the up to the level, and the washing machine is washing now. You can see, yeah, you can hear the sound. It's washing now. So this is the level to which the water filled up before it started washing. Yeah, now I'll close it back now. Before I open, I put it on pause, then I open it. Now I'll close it back, and the thing will, I'll press start, then the washing will resume. Yeah, at this stage, the washing machine has washed and it is draining the water here. So I'm draining the water inside the bucket so that you guys can see. So it's draining the water here, so through the drape pipe. So it's draining the water. After the draining, it will start rinsing process. Yeah, the washing machine is still draining the water. It's draining the water here. Then after the draining, it will fill in another water for rinsing. Then after the rinsing, it will spin the clothes. So it's still draining the soapy water out of the clothes. Now, now the machine is rinsing now. It's rinsing the clothes now. So after rinsing, it will spin like I said. The machine is spinning now. Then at the end of the spinning, the machine will ring an alarm that sound the completion of the process of the washing. So you can see it now. It's on 1. So it will ring now, and the complete process has been made. So if you are having any issue operating this machine, you can check the pipe that connects the water. It must be higher, and the wire must not be folded up, and the drain. Some people keep having issue that once the machine start filling in the water, is draining at the same time. Check your drain pipe. It is always the issue. Once your drain pipe is raised above the level of the machine a little bit, then you can see this is the complete process of washing in Hisense WTCT802. So you can bring out your stuff now. You can see it has drained it completely and washed it perfectly. So you can see. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to this channel to see more of this video. Thank you.